Hi there, back out with the DR Pro trimmer today. Got another project to do. This is an area that I cut just once a year. It's allowed for the rest of the year just to grow a bit wild and let any wild flowers grow through and just leave it as habitat. So what we've got on this job is just old bits of bracken, long grass with some thick tufts of grass in the middle of it, dead reeds, few brambles here and there. The machine doesn't like cutting through anything too woody. It'll cut maybe a few millimeters of woody growth, but generally once you go over anything that starts to get woody, it'll break the cord, so then you need to switch to a blade machine then. It's ideal for large areas of garden which have just been left to go overgrown, where you're not sure where there's stones or anything like you wouldn't want to hit with a lawn mower, because this has got a plastic cord on it, so it's not as easy to damage. It works a lot faster than a strimmer. It's got quite a powerful Briggs & Stratton engine on it, and it clears through pretty quickly. You don't walk back and forward doing stripes. You work it in and out, similar to how we'd use a vacuum cleaner. You just push it back and forward into the growth, and that just eats into it then. The machine's quite well guarded from throwing debris back at your face or anything, but I wear a face shield because you do get the occasional bit of muck or something, or grit, that will somehow make its way into your face, so it just helps protect your eyes then. Especially if you're tilting the machine back to go uphill slightly, then you're more likely to get bits coming back at your face then. But as I said, generally it doesn't throw much back at you. I did another video on the DR Pro wheel trimmer a few months ago, so if you want to go and have a look at that, it shows the machine in a bit more detail as well. I'll put a link for that video in the description. So we've got quite a deep ditch here that I'm working back and forward in. It's quite good exercise. It's quite hard work pulling it back out of the ditch. I'm managing it okay. I wouldn't like to do it on a wet day where I'd be sliding down the ditch, but it's good exercise on your shoulders, but it does the job great. I'd say this machine works about 3 or 4 times faster than a more traditional strimmer that you'd have on a harness. So it's a pretty quick machine for clearing a large area. DR's done another good job of quite a large area here. It's all cleared now, ready till things start to regrow, and then I'll come back again in a year and do the same again. As you can see here, I've just left this last piece of ditch. It's gone a bit too steep to work the machine up and down, so I'll finish that off with the strimmer then afterwards. I'm using a Stihl FS90 strimmer here, just to finish off tidying the bank of the ditch. It's not got the straight shaft on this one, it's got the curved one, which I find it quite handy for finishing off jobs. It's very manoeuvrable. It's got the D-loop instead of a harness, so you can just lift it at any angle you want to quite easily. The strimmer I'm using here on the willow growth is a FS 130 with a 4-edged blade. And it's making quite light work of this willow tree regrowth from last year. Thanks for watching, and I've got more of a mixture of shooting and outdoor stuff yet to come.